Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can get positions, a trade book and live PNL from your Shoonya account in Telegram. So this code was actually shared by our Data for Traders YouTube channel. So he actually did it for angel broking and I modified the code a little bit and I have done it for Shoonya. So this is a code. Your chat ID and bot token, those things are from the Telegram, and you need to install two packages. These are the commands: pip install Python Telegram bot upgrade and pip install data frame underscore image. This package data frame underscore image, it converts the data frame into an PNG image, so that we would be getting from the like we'll be accessing it using a Telegram app. So this is a code that I have used here. I have made some changes according to Shoonya thing. So to get this bot token and chat ID, I'll show you how to get that. Go to your Telegram app. Then you search for bot father. Then you can click on that thing, and what you need to do is type as start. So so you get something like this, and here you need to click on new bot, and then it asks for what is a bot name and those things. Then you get the output as this thing. So here you can see use this token to access HTTP API. So copy the entire thing, the token here from here, and you paste it here in place of bot token. And for chat ID you can type as ID finder ID, so get ID and so that thing. And here what you need to do is you need to start this thing. So it will give you what is the chat ID and what is your username, etc. So those things and all you'll get from here. So that both the things you need to paste here. And in login angel or I kept the functions as it is. I just made the changes inside. So first what it is doing is it logs in into your Shunya account, as I showed in the previous video, that you get your username and those things, right? So that thing happens here, and here is valid chat ID. So what happens is with this bot anyone can access your positions and those things if they just have the bot like if they are able to access the bot. So what is this doing is it checks if the message sent from the chat ID is equal to the chat ID that we have given you. So if it's same, only then it proceeds further, otherwise it doesn't reply back anything. Here I've added positions, PNL and trade book. So let me start this thing right now. And in my Shunya account I just took some trades. So in positions if you see there are two positions, one with the loss of minus 8,000, sorry, 1838, and other with loss of around 90 rupees. So let's see if we are able to get those exact details from the Telegram thing. Okay, this thing is also started now. Let me go to my Telegram now, and I'll go to the board that I have created there, and first thing I'll type this thing start. So it gives me uh, option four options. So first thing what you need to do is first you need to log into your account, otherwise it does positions and PNL and those things won't work. So first I'll if I click on positions it will say to login first. So when I click on login it gives my username and user ID. Now if I click on positions it will give me a data frame image. See, as you can see, we had two positions, right, in our account. So 37,300 PE and 37,300 CE, and we booked our loss of 1,838 and 82. So that is the same thing that we are getting here. We booked profit of minus 1,835 and 82. Yeah, and if I click on PNL, see, if I clicked on PNL, it gave me PNL of minus 1,921.25. That is a PNL that we have we have in our account. So this way you can you can actually run this telegram code in cloud or somewhere, and get when and by just giving these commands like position and PNL, you can get what is the status, what is the PNL that is running currently, and what is the orders that are being placed in your account using telegram, without needing to log into your broker account physically. So I've tried to place a live order. I placed order for SBIN. So you can see SBIN is completed, and if you go in positions, that is position for SBIN with daily profit of 0. Actually no 0.05. So I'll go to the Telegram now, and I'll run to get the positions. There you can see only two positions are present. Now let's see what we get. As you can see, SBI and equity, that position is also added here in our Telegram thing. So in now I'll try to run the PNL. You can see the PNL is coming around minus 0.05 for this, and total PNL is decreased from 0.05 paise. So let me try to run that PNL command. Yeah, so you can see here the difference, minus 1921.25 and minus 1921.2. So actually this is giving us the live data itself, but there is a delay, a little bit, like 2 to 3 seconds. Let me square off this. Now I'll try to run my 1 second, run the positions command. You can see now in SBIN will be having a running profit of 1.75 rupees, something like that. Yeah, you can see in SBIN we have a running profit of 1.65. Now I'll try to book that profit. Yeah, so the order is placed now, and I'll run the positions again. You can see the running profit will be 0, and the book profit will be 2.10, and the PNL what we get is 1919.15. So you can see how this works. So that is all in this video. Thank you.